Hello everyone, welcome to iOS application development training using Swift programming. Today we'll talk about control transfer statement to decide the control flow in Swift program. We use continue, break, fall through, return, throw. These are the control transfer statements. As you can see in the picture, as of now we'll focus on continue, break and return statement with example. Continue control transfer statement. We use continue to skip the current iteration of loop and go to the next iteration. Break. We use break statement to stop current loop iteration. Return. Sometime if we want our function to return some value or result, then we can use the return statement. Okay, let's understand this by encoding example in Xcode. So here I have created a playground file to understand this with the example. First of all, we'll start with the continue statement. So for that, in line number 4, you can see we have a for loop, okay, and we are iterating it. The loop is 1 to 5. The lower bound is 1 and upper bound is 5, and then we have a if block which is checking a condition that whether I is equals 3, then continue. That means when the value will be 3 while iterating, it will skip this statement, okay. So that means it will print 1 to 5 values but skip third one, okay. And break statement. In the line number 11, we have another for loop iteration, okay, 1 to 5, and we have a if condition where we are checking when the I equals 4, then break. That means it will stop. The iteration will stop execution when the I equal to 4. So that means it will only print 1, 2, 3. When the 4 comes, it will stop. No more printing. So this is how the break statement will break the iteration of current loop. Now, return statement. See, we have one function in the line number 19. Okay, function and name is find square. Okay, and it is taking input as a one parameter, name num, and type is integer type. Okay, and here this arrow says this function will return a value and the type will be integer. In the function, we are calculating the square, okay, of input number and storing into the variable constant is result, and then we are returning the result to the calling place. Okay, here see in the line number 24, we are storing the result what we are receiving from the function name find square and giving the input number is 2. So this 2 will go here number and it will calculate the square. It will store in result and result will be returned by using this statement and it will come here. So in the square we will have a result which we have received from function. Now we can print. If you execute this program, see, you can see in the console area, okay, first 4 line is from line number 8 where we are using the continuous statement. That means we are printing 1, 2, 4, 5. Then next 3 are from the break statement example, which is line number 15. So that means it will print 1, 2, 3, and when the value will 4 come, it will stop and it won't print the fourth one because the execution is already broken. And last, function returns results of square of 2 is 4. That's it. So this is how the control transfer statements help us to decide the control flow in Swift programs. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share, and feel free to ask if you have any questions on this.